Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching part 5 of the kitchen renovation series. In the first video, I went over the design plan. The second video was all about demo. The third video covered framing, electrical, plumbing, drywall, all of that good stuff. In the fourth video, we installed cabinets and our farmhouse sink. And in this video, we finally get to install our black and white floor tile, which I'm so excited about. I have a kitchen renovation playlist on my channel homepage in case you want to check out the previous videos. So far, we are ahead of schedule and still under budget, which I'm very happy about. I bought these large format 30-inch by 30-inch porcelain tiles from Bedrosians. They had a 20% off sale on Black Friday, so I was able to take advantage of that amazing deal and save a ton of money on my floor and backsplash tile. This is the Magnifica 30 by 30 porcelain tile. They have either a honed or a gloss finish, and we went with the honed. I'll link these exact tiles in the description below. Just as a reminder, here is where we started. Let's install some new tiles. During demo, we took all of the flooring and subflooring out down to bare concrete. So now we are scraping down the floors one last time to make sure everything is removed from the surface. My lovely husband Devin is helping to get the floors cleaned and prepped for primer. After the floors were completely clean, we applied a quick, even coat of this multi-surface bonding primer. Devin poured it directly on the floor and rolled it on with a 1/4-inch nap roller. We let the primer dry overnight, and then we were ready to install tile. Before we begin the tile install, I want to take a really quick break to thank the sponsor of today's video, Athletic Greens. I'm really excited to share these products with you guys. AG1 by Athletic Greens is an essential nutrition company that has created a movement around simplifying your health routine. It's not just for athletes, it's for busy moms, dads, rookies, first-timers, busy DIYers, and everyone in between. During this whole kitchen renovation, my morning routine has been absolutely crucial for me to follow in order to keep up with my busy schedule and also for me to just stay sane during all the craziness going on. So I've been taking 1 scoop of the AG1 by Athletic Greens as well as a drop of the vitamin D3 K2 liquid drops. I also have the travel packs in case I need to take AG1 on the go. AG1 supports your energy, focus, gut health, digestion, and immune system without the need to take multiple products or pills. There is an extensive list of 75 vitamins, minerals, whole food sourced superfoods, probiotics, and adaptogens in 1 convenient daily serving, 1 scoop or travel packet, 8 ounces of water every day, that's it. Athletic Greens is going to give my community an immune-supporting free 1-year supply of vitamin D and 5 free travel packs with your first purchase. Go to the link in the description now to get a year's supply of vitamin D3 K2 and 5 travel packs for free with your first purchase. This is a game changer for supporting your immune system. AG1 provides your body with everything it needs for optimal performance every single day. Let's get back to tiling. So my dad and I snapped a square chalk line that our tile needed to follow. We decided to start with the top right corner and then work our way down. My dad and Devin cut the tiles on our tile saw. I got this Ryobi tile saw from Home Depot for a pretty good price. I'll link the tile saw in the description if you want to check it out. We measured and laid out the whole first row of tiles so that we could install them quickly as we went. We used this large format tile mortar from ProLite in gray. This is what the tile company recommended for installing these large 30 by 30 tiles. I bought these self-leveling 16th inch tile spacers off Amazon. They were so easy to use and incredibly helpful in keeping all the tiles nice and level. I'll link the spacers below. I will definitely be using these again. They were great. My dad applied the mortar with a 3/8 inch square notch trowel. There are a lot of mixed reviews on back buttering and if it's actually necessary, so we decided not to back butter the tiles. We set each of the tiles in place, placed the spacers near each corner, and then as we set each additional tile, we added the yellow wedges and clamped them down with the clamp that came with the tile spacer kit. We lightly tapped the tile down with the rubber end of the hammer and made sure to clear the grout lines of any clumps as we went. Once we got the first row down, it was super easy to just follow the pattern. We made sure to lay tile underneath where our appliances will go. Once again, these are the Magnifica 30 by 30 porcelain tiles from Bedrosians in the honed finish. It was important for us to get the cabinets in ASAP so that we could get the countertops templated. We decided to install cabinets first and then tile to speed up the renovation and to save money on tile. It took a bit of extra time for the mortar to set with these large format tiles and the tiny grout lines, so we waited a few days before allowing any heavy traffic on the floors. After the tiles were set, I kicked off all the spacers and wedges. I took my utility blade and scraped off any of the mortar that came up through the grout lines. Then I vacuumed the floors before applying the grout. This is the grout that I used in the color Alabaster. I used both of the bags that came in this box, but really only needed to use one. I followed the instructions on the back of the box and used this rubber grout float to apply the grout. I applied a good thick coat of grout to the grout line and then wiped up the excess. I did about half of the floor and let the grout firm for about 20 minutes before going back and lightly wiping it down with a damp sponge in circular motions. After about 3 hours, the haze can be removed from the tiles with a clean sponge. I ended up having to go through and clean the tiles a few more times before they were streak-free. And voila, we have beautiful black and white floor tiles. I'm so happy with how these turned out. To be honest, I can't stop looking at the floors. I'm so proud, and I'm so thankful to have my dad and Devin here to help out. That is it for this video. Next week, I'll be going over the appliances and countertops, as long as the countertops get here in time, so fingers crossed. Thank you so much for watching.